take a trip into nature's ice bath.
There's a hole in your compression short.
Is it really?
In your ass.
Is it a big one?
No.
Can you see my ass?
Yeah.
Bro, I bet this water's gonna be freezing.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so cold.
The sand is cold. Too deep. Too deep.
You got a big bruise on your quad.
I dropped a 45, so they had a stack of 45s, and I was going to put one on top, and I had two in my hands, and I dropped it, and it went wham!
Oh!
It's too deep.
Don't
get my
freeze
knees
your
in
nuts,
this.
man.
I don't know if you've been outside today, but it is a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Whew. We're an ice bath. It's cold.
Coming to you live from nature's ice bath. My balls are the size of 3.5 grains of sand. 1/4 of a marble.
Dude, it's cold.
Yeah, no trying to shoot it.
You should get in, bro. It's not
Yeah,
that
right.
cold.
I just got my blanket situated. There's no way I'm moving.
Dude, that hammock is gonna feel amazing after this. I can't wait. I'm gonna dry off and wrap up in that blanket and hammock, and I might cry myself to sleep. It feels so good. And I got a Snickers bar.
Woo! That's awesome.
Nature's ice bath.